Top 5 Lightweight Photo Editing Apps.
Looking for powerful photo editing without clogging up your phone? This list reveals 5 compact apps that deliver editing punch while keeping your device light and responsive. Whether you're after easy filters, precise adjustments, or creative effects, these picks offer the essentials and more, all while saving valuable storage space. Let's explore the best options for effortless, efficient photo editing.
1. Snapseed.
Snapseed stands out for its comprehensive editing tools in a surprisingly small package. Developed by Google, this app offers filters, tuning, selective edits, and even advanced features like healing. The interface is intuitive for beginners, but robust enough for enthusiasts, all in a download under 100 megabytes. Snapseed proves you don't need a massive app for professional-level results.
2. Adobe Photoshop Express.
Adobe Photoshop Express brings trusted editing tools to your phone in a lightweight form. With essential features like autofix, blemish removal, and one-touch filters, it covers daily editing needs. The app emphasizes efficiency so it runs smoothly and occupies less space than its desktop counterpart. You get reliability and quality edits, all optimized for those watching their storage.
3. Pixlr.
Pixlr offers creativity without taking up much room. The app is known for its easy-to-use tools, overlays, double exposure, and automatic enhancements. Pixlr's flexibility appeals to casual users and those wanting quick customizations. It stands out for staying under 50 megabytes, ensuring that you get broad editing options while keeping your device clutter-free.
4. Lightroom Mobile.
Lightroom Mobile from Adobe is slim but powerful. Its focus on photo enhancement and organization makes it ideal for users wanting both quick fixes and more refined control. The streamlined mobile version prioritizes storage efficiency, bringing core Lightroom features like sliders and presets to your phone with a footprint that respects your limited memory space.
5. VSCO.
VSCO combines a lightweight design with impressive creative control. Famous for its film-like filters, the app also includes tuning tools and easy sharing options. VSCO is designed for quick performance, often using less memory than competitors with similar features. For users who love both subtle edits and saving space, VSCO offers a perfect blend.
Choosing the right app for your needs.
All 5 of these apps stand out for their compact size and powerful features. Whether you prioritize advanced controls, creative filters, or ease of use, there's an option that fits without straining your storage. Try out a few to find the editing experience and interface that works best for your style and device.